Oh no, we have 4 minutes. We have 4 minutes. You can look after. Good work. Good work. I get these things thinking of families that open them up.
I'm off it, sorry.
First, I want to wish you a happy and blessed Ramadan and say that this is certainly we are generous, that we're there for each other, that we think sisters. That's what is extraordinary. What we're celebrating in Ramadan and holy month. The fact is that we come together, that we reflect on making our communities better, safer places where people are more welcomed, more understood, is absolutely essential. C'est un moment pour nous de se rassembler en tant que communauté, en tant qu'amis, en tant que famille, mais aussi en tant qu'étrangers, de toute origine confondue, de toute religion confondue, pour voir ce que nous avons en commun. C'est toujours très facile de voir toutes les façons qu'on est différents les uns des autres, mais c'est plus important de remarquer comment on se... As always, my wonderful writing of Papineau, but everywhere in Canada, you can see it. We have made differences a source of strength, not a source of weakness. Fault lines, looking at differences, pushing back against people who are different because of fear, because of intolerance, because of ignorance. And the more we can do to show that we share values, to be there for each other, that can be shared by all, the better the world will build. And what Islamic Relief is doing, what you are all doing as volunteers, and what everyone is reflecting in this holy month of Ramadan and in our daily lives as Canadians is something worth celebrating. So thank you. There we go, we got the list. Excellent, no problem.